What's up, everyone? Today, I am excited to talk about the itel S23, a smartphone that's making waves in emerging markets with its affordability and impressive features. Before we dive in, let's get some context. itel Mobile is a Chinese mobile phone manufacturer founded in 2014, and it operates as a subsidiary of Transsion Holdings, which also owns other popular brands like Tecno and Infinix. itel primarily focused on emerging markets, including Africa, South Asia, and Latin America. itel is known for delivering smartphones that strike a perfect balance between affordability and quality. In fact, in 2022, itel was recognized as the number one global smartphone brand under $100, as well as the number one feature smartphone brand. The itel S23 is part of their successful lineup, which includes other popular models like the itel P40 series and the itel A60s. These phones comes with various features such as dual SIM support, long-lasting batteries, and HD displays, catering to the needs of users in diverse markets. One of the flagship model in their lineup is the itel S23, which we had the chance to test out thoroughly. The user experience is seamless, especially if you previously used Infinix or Tecno smartphones, as they share the same OS maker. Navigating itel S23 is a breeze, and the screen's vibrant display, especially when cranked up to 100%, makes it perfect for media consumption and gaming. Under the hood, the itel S23 boasts some impressive hardware, including the Unisoc T606 chipset, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage. The HD Plus LCD with a 90Hz refresh rate ensures smooth performance in most games, making it a great choice for mobile gamers. Plus, with a generous 5000 milliamp battery, you can expect the phone to last up to 2 days on moderate usage, though your mileage may vary. Speaking of gaming, we found the itel S23 to be surprisingly capable of handling various games. However, for those susceptible to motion sickness, extended session of fast-paced FPS games like Roblox and PUBG may cause some discomfort. Nevertheless, for casual gaming, this phone offers a solid performance. Now let's discuss the photography with the itel S23. The phone's camera setup includes a 50 megapixels rear camera and a 8 megapixels front camera. While we won't get too technical about its performance given its price range, we conducted numerous tests to maximize its capabilities and limitations. The camera sensors may be a bit slow, but with a little patience, you can capture great images at its price point. However, we advise against using AI in the camera settings as it tends to make photos look unnatural with overlay bright and artificial looking subjects. Taking photos in the dark environments or at night requires a little tinkering with the camera settings to achieve decent results. While the phone may not excel in low light conditions, it's still possible to capture usable shots with some adjustments. When we put the front-facing camera to the test, we were pleasantly surprised by how good it performed, considering it's only an 8 megapixels camera, especially in this price range. During daylight conditions and well-lit environments, the camera captures clear and detailed selfies with accurate color reproduction. It handles various skin tone quite well, and we were pleased with the level of sharpness in the image. However, like most budget-friendly smartphones, the front-facing camera of the itel S23 does face some limitations in low light or dimly lit situations. The camera struggles to maintain the same level of quality. The images tends to show more noise and the details might appear slightly washed out. So we recommend using additional lighting or finding a better lit spot when taking selfies at night to achieve better results. Nonetheless, for everyday social media sharing and casual selfies, the front-facing camera on the itel S23 is more than capable. The selfie camera performance, combined with the affordable price of the phone, makes it a compelling choice for selfie enthusiasts on a budget. However, one downside we've noticed during video recording is the lack of optical image stabilization. Without OIS, the footage can appear shaky, especially when shooting while walking or in motion. For those who enjoy creating stable and smooth video content, investing in a gimbal or using a tripod while recording would greatly enhance the video quality. The itel S23 is a standout option for budget-conscious consumers who still demands quality and pleasant user experience. With its affordable price tag, strong hardware, and decent camera capabilities, itel is indeed making its mark in the smartphone market, especially in emerging economies. If you're in the market for an affordable smartphone that won't disappoint, the itel S23 is definitely worth buying. Now, if you want to own this itel S23, just answer this question: where did we shoot this review? To qualify, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and send your answer to my Instagram. And by the way, thank you to Simpling Pintor for sharing my channel to his friends, family, and subscribers. So to my subscribers, kindly support his channel by subscribing. So once again, thank you for watching and have a good day.